Hi everyone, just wanted to do a video on how to make sure your child's account is added to your Classdojo and how to access your child's portfolio on the phone. So the first thing you want to do to make sure their account is connected is make sure that on your phone app is that you go to your messages. And in the messages, I sent a link to all families where you can click here on the link itself and it takes you to the directions on how to access your student's account, okay? If you're doing it on the computer, you'll need this QR code to scan in to their account on the Chromebook, okay? If you're doing it on the phone, it shows you just press this picture on the top to switch accounts. So what that means is from your student's account, okay, to get to your student's account, you click on this picture up here, just like you see. And when you click it, it shows the different accounts, okay? So I have a teacher account, but I also have my practice student account. So wherever your child's name is, it'll show their name and it'll say student, okay? And you click on that button there to go to your student account. And it will open it up. As you can see, mine is taking a little bit longer for some reason to open it up. Says it's having trouble for some reason. Okay, so we'll just click on that again for your student account and it'll switch here to your student account. And here on your student's account, you can see all the things on our class story or if there's anything they need to do. So this section here that you see with the check mark and it says activities will list all the activities that the students have to do. By clicking it, you'll see anything that your child needs to turn in. If it's blank, that means you've turned in everything. If there are things there, then it'll show you whether you need to take a picture of it. So it'll show a camera if it's a picture. It'll show a picture of a video camera if it's a video camera where you take a video. And it'll show this green notebook here if it's something that they have to draw on. So if you want to take a picture of your child's homework, for example, this homework assignment, you just click on that assignment, click start, and it'll open up the camera where you, as you can see, you can take a picture of their homework, whatever the homework assignment is. From there, you'll press the circle button here to take a picture of their homework. If it's blurry and you don't like the picture, just like that, then you'll click this back arrow here to go back and retake the picture. Sorry, and it'll ask you if you want to discard it or if you want to keep it. Okay, so if you don't like it, you click discard and then you can take the picture again to get a clear picture. Right? If you're satisfied with your picture, then you can just click the check mark and then this little send off button here sends it right to me. Okay, and you'll see that it sends it off and it'll say sending, and when it's done sending, then it'll say sent. If you want to take a video, it works the same way. You click on the picture of the video camera, you start the video, and if you're happy with it, for example here, you click start. You can click this button here and it'll start recording the video and you'll see the timer up here on the top going off if it is recording. And when you are done with your video, you'll just click that button one more time here and it'll start. And as you can see, it was recording my voice. You'll click the check if you're happy with it. And again, just like with the other one, you'll click this button up here, okay, to send it off. Okay, it'll show that it's sending. And when it's done sending, it'll show you that it was sent. Okay, so again, that's going to take a little bit longer since it is a video. So I'm just going to give that a second for it to send, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can do the quizzes on your Classdojo portfolio and how to send them off to me as well. So this will be done in just a few seconds. As you can see, it's still sending, right? And when it's done, the circle will be complete, and then it'll say sent when it's done, okay? And it'll take you right back to the Classdojo portfolios section there, okay? Now for the quizzes, you will click where it says quiz, so your math quiz, and you'll start the worksheet by clicking start, and then it'll put it in this view on your phone, Okay, now to draw on it directly from your phone, you will touch the picture of the pencil here and you'll see it sticks out. And from there, you can draw directly on the picture, okay? And if you're not sure what to do, the directions are on the bottom here. To zoom in, you just use your 2 fingers to zoom in. If it's not doing it, it's because it's on one of these functions like this, so it's not letting me do it right now. But you just click the pencil again, and you can view the directions there on the bottom. See? You zoom in, zoom out. So again, you just click the pencil, and it'll let you draw on there the answers, okay? And they can write them in like that. And if you want to erase it, you click the eraser, and it erases it for you, okay? And when you are done with it, you'll click the check mark, click done, and again, when you're finished, you'll click this button up here to send it off. Okay, so again, if you don't like what you were doing for the quiz or you need to fix it, you just click edit the worksheet. Again, you'll open it up, okay, touch the picture of the pencil, and from there you can draw on there. You can pick different colors that you want to write with. So if they want to write with purple or blue, they can touch those ones and it'll show the different color on the pencil. So that way when they're writing, you can see it'll come out a different color. If you don't like it, you make a mistake, touch the eraser, use your finger to erase. They could also add pictures on there if they wanted to, if that was something that was appropriate to do for the assignment, or write on there as well if they needed the alphabet. Okay, and so if they were doing the alphabet, when they click on there, you'll see the keyboard will come up and you can type in whatever you want, like if you wanted to type your name in. And as you can see, when you type it, it starts to come up there just like that, if that's what you wanted to do, to put your name on the top or write in an answer or anything along those lines. So that's how you do that on your phone for the Classdojo portfolios. And again, just please make sure from your child's account to get to there, you just click the picture on the top to switch accounts, whether you want to go to your student's account or your parent account. Just by clicking them, it'll go to the different accounts for you, okay? All right, thank you guys. Hope that was helpful.